All right, here's a quick hint, good practice, something that you should always do for every class that uses media, and no matter what, even if there is not a known problem with video playing. If you know you use videos in your course using, let's say, either the Kaltura, YouTube, etc., always check to make sure that they're working before the class rolls out. So I'm going to use this one as an example. These are all YouTube mashups. Currently, right now, there is a known issue with YouTube because YouTube changed their programming, their coding that they use, and they did not tell all the different vendors that use them because obviously they don't care. It's their coding. They're going to change it for their security reasons. And oh, I'm not going to tell you. And so then you'll have an LMS like our Blackboard that uses a specific coding and a tool to go to YouTube to use videos to enrich the course, and oh my goodness, it's not playing. So what do? So here's what you do. Pull up your course and see if your videos play. Don't just assume because you can see the little thumbnail hill that it works. Always click on it just to check and see, because there may be something wrong. Maybe it's down and no longer exists because you're using somebody else's link. There's different things. This one is saying it can't display the mashup content. Why can't it display the mashup content? It can't display it because right now there's an API, I think it's just API or API 2, I forget. Anyways, there's a coding issue going on, and YouTube has changed, and Blackboard did not know they were going to make the change, and so now Blackboard's having to do all the scripting and the writing on the back end to get everything caught up so that they'll work. We don't know for sure when it's going to be working, so this is one of those reasons you need to know how to do this, just in case. You know, in theory, fingers crossed, it can fall, it's working great and perfect, but if not, and you have this problem, don't panic, it's easy to fix. So what we do is we simply find the video. We're going to go to YouTube. If we do not have a URL like there is here, what we can do is we can copy. So I just highlight, copy, paste, and I'm going to put in the name of it, and then who it was by. Of course, these are videos, if you put it in your course, you probably know exactly what they are. But as me as a designer, I don't know, maybe I didn't pick. So here's the job analysis, this one right here. So step-by-step job safety analysis. So I click on the video. I click on share. I click on embed, and I copy the code. Right-click copy or Control-C paste. I go right here, drop down chevron, edit. And then I like to put in some text here. So for an example instructions, if the video above does not play, please view it using link below. And I will usually change the color of it also. I just like to do that so they know that it's an optional, so they kind of stays on a little bit. And here's the common mistake for video banks. They put the paste right here. It doesn't work that way, so I'm going to undo. You can't paste it here. What you have to do is you have to click on the HTML. And then once you do that, just come down here at the bottom, paste it, Control V, Control C copy, Control V paste, click update. Once you've done that, you'll see this lovely yellow box. If you see the yellow box, you have now embedded the video into there, and just click submit. And once you've done that, now you'll notice I have my thumbnail and I have the video. Great, perfect. Now for an example, if you do know what the link is, it does make things a lot easier if the link is there. One of the reasons why I always try to put the link in there and always show it while I'm doing it, because I can come right here and go straight to that link and repeat the process. Get the embed code, copy the embed code, come right here. I can copy and paste instructions. I'm actually would usually probably do that instead of just having to keep repeating myself. Update. There it is. And so long as you don't delete the yellow box, you work in it just like you normally would for any kind of text editing purpose. Again, I'm not real big on having to constantly repeat myself by typing something in, so I will copy it. And then I would actually go in here and paste it in all of these, and then I'd go back and go find the videos and embed them. That's just how I would work there. It makes it easier for me. Once you have done that, your videos are playing. So what it is, it's just like a backup. So if you notice that this doesn't play, how do I fix it? Don't panic. We can embed the video and place it in there. All right, and if you have any problems, as always, contact me, your friendly instructional designer support specialist.